Hi, Huskies and Bulldogs. I want to play a number game with you today, and this is a number game that also has some drawing with it, okay? So in order to play this game, you're going to need to get together with your mom or your dad or someone in your family, and they're going to draw something for you, and then you're going to have to add something to the drawing, okay? I'll show you how it works. Here's one thing that we can do, all right? One thing we can start with, picture of a cat, some triangle ears. So you can ask someone in your family to draw you a cat. Then they're going to give you a number, right? And they can write the number. I'm going to write, what number is that? 6, all right? Now your job is to give the cat 6 whiskers. Right? So you're going to draw 6 whiskers on the cat. Now what you have to make sure you do, you have to make sure that you count 1 every time you draw a whisker, and when you get to 6, you have to remember to stop. Okay? I want you to do this one with me. I'm going to draw the whiskers. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to stop because that's 6. I made it to 6. 6 whiskers. Right, let's try another one. Got my eraser ready. Add another cat. You can draw the cat, or you can have your family draw the cat for you. Triangle ears. All right. This time I'm going to do a different number. Okay? This time I'm going to give you guys the number. What's that? That's 10. So now we're going to count. Every time we draw a whisker, we're going to count 1, and we are going to stop when we get to 10. Okay? Do it with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of whiskers. 10 whiskers on this cat. All right, good job. Now, cats is one fun thing you can do when you play this counting game. Another thing you can draw, if you'd like, is you can draw a flower. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll start with the top of the flower. And this is going to be a circle shape in the middle of my flower. And this is going to be the stem going down. All right? Now I'm going to give a number. I'm going to pick one. I picked the number... What's that? That's 5, all right? Now we need 5 of something. This flower is going to have 5 petals on it, okay? So I'm going to draw some petals, and every time I draw one, I'm going to count. Then I'm going to stop when I get to 5, okay? Do it with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That flower has 5 petals. Let's try a different number. I make another flower. Here's the stem. Okay, what number is that? That's 7. Okay, so now I have to count to 7, and when I get to 7 petals, I'm going to stop because I want this flower to have 7 petals, okay? Do it with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This flower has 7 petals, okay? So you can play this counting game with cats. You can play this counting game with flowers. There's one more way that I know how to play this game, okay? This one's kind of silly, okay? For this one, what you draw a big shape like this, and you draw a mouth with some sharp pointy teeth. You give it some arms and some legs. This is my silly monster. All right, now I'm going to draw a number up here. I'm going to write a number. I think I'm going to do the number What's that? 8. This monster is going to have 8 eyes. So I'm going to draw 8 eyes up here. Every time I draw one, I'm going to count the next number, and I'm going to stop when I get to 8. Okay, ready? Ready to do it with me? Here we go. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My monster has 8 eyes. Maybe I'll add some pupils in there. This is a silly monster with 8 eyes. What do you think? So this is a fun counting game that you can play at home. You'll need someone from your family to give you some numbers and maybe help you draw a flower or a cat or a monster. And then you can practice counting while you add whiskers to the cat. You can count while you add eyes to the monster, or you can count while you add petals to the flower. Okay? Have fun at home, and we'll talk to you guys pretty soon.